Welcome back. We've just gone over our first kind of real world example, but in even more real world cases or workflows you'll see in the wild, they're typically, as workflows are, multitask pipelines that build upon individual steps. Most commonly, the output of one task serves as inputs or like dependencies of other tasks. Each task in these workflows can have their own specific requirements. And so one strength of descriptors is that you can isolate these tasks in their own separate runtime environments. So like we went over why you might need separate containers, because you might have different dependencies for different software. You might break things up into separate tasks because those tasks require different things. So in each of your tasks, you can specify a different Docker image to use, and you can specify specific compute requirements that are required for that task.